How to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Instagram application on your device and go to chats. Here, you can see that there is no option for deleting all your messages at once. You will have to delete the message one by one. So in order to delete the messages all at once, firstly, go to your profile. There, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on that and then under for professionals, tap on account type and tools. Under account type, tap on switch to professional mode. Set up your professional account now. Firstly, tap on continue and then select whichever category that describes you the best and then tap on done. Now select if your account is a business account or a creator account and tap on next again. Enter your public business information. I will skip this for now. And with this, your professional account will be all ready. Go to chats again now and on the top right beside your name you will see three dots there. Tap on that and then tap on select chats. You will get the option to select the chats you want to delete now. So go ahead and select the chats that you want to delete. And on the bottom of your screen you will see the delete option. Tap on that and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and you can see all my chats are deleted at once. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.